Norrlenska nautakjötið. Uppskrift á góðu kvöldi.
Janne finnskur listamaður sem kemur til Íslands á hverju ári að kenna í myndlistaskólanum á Akureyri. Þar kennir hann aðferð til listsköpunar sem kallast æting.
This is a copper plate, and what I've been doing here with the students is that they have plain copper plate and then they etch the images on it. And when the copper is etched, then is this part, you put ink on it, wipe the plate clean, and then you print it.
Okay.
Very simple.
And these are different colors you have here?
Yes, yes. They are all like Chapanel from France, but the idea is that you don't usually use only like black directly from the can, but you can mix colors, just like when you're doing paintings. Just mix them, and usually every color needs its own plate, so there will be several plates, and then you just print them on top of each other, one by one.
Vax eða lakk borið á koparplötuna, áður mynd rist í hana með nál. Þegar myndin klár platan sett í sírubað. Eftir því sem platan fari að liggja lengur í sírubaðinu, þeim mun dýpri og dekkri verða línurnar sjálfar í lokaverkinu.
Now it's etched. The next step is you put ink on it. So the ink goes only inside those etched areas. And then you polish the plate so the ink is only where you etched something. And then you take this to the press, put paper on it, then the blanket, and it goes through the press.
Okay, so this is not a kind of artwork you could do at home?
No, no, not this one. There's a lot of technical steps, and you have to have a printing machine and everything. So it's.
What is it that made you fall in love with this kind of technique?
Yeah, I ended up working as an art printer in graphic workshop Himabla in Finland, and then I realized the potential, and it was it. I mean, I just fell in love with it.
And what keeps you doing it? Are there new areas to explore?
Yeah, I mean, after 26 years, I still have a feeling I don't know nothing. So there's a lot of new things, you can combine things, and the techniques I'm using, they are very difficult and old. They are from the 1870s. So there's a huge field to dig in and explore.
Í myndum af þessu tagi hægt að stjórna skuggunum með að bera lakk á hluta myndarinnar og láta síruna þá éta upp meira af þeim hlutum sem ekki var borið á. Svo að sjá hvort loka útkoman biðarinnar virði.
This is the final image I usually do. It's photo-based, etched on copper plates, and there's several plates, 3 plates actually, the photo, and then 2 aquatint. And yeah. And of course I have a book here with me. Usually my works are related often to Iceland. So this is from one of your waterfalls, and yeah, I just play around with the idea of the image is something, but then when you turn it, it is actually something else.
Your first trip to Iceland, why Iceland?
Yeah, that was year 2000. I got a funny little A4 brochure that there's a residency here, and I was like, why not? I apply. And I got here, and then I met Rannveig Helgadóttir, and she introduced me to the Helgi and Sofia, who is running the school, and the rest is history. I just keep on coming here every year. 18 years now.
Janne stefnir á að halda áfram að koma hingað á hverju ári og kenna við skólan, enda fleiri en bara starfið sem hann sækir í hér á landi.
First I came here to residencies and just a holiday, but then Sofia Helgi just offered me this job, which is amazing, and the school is doing so great work. So it's a pleasure coming here over and over again and teach these very basic things for the students and see how they actually get so much out of it. And I mean, you don't really need to be an artist. You can just enjoy the knowledge and then pass it on in the future.
And then you go out in the nature here and take photos.
Yes. I'll drive around, but I have a feeling I've seen it all now, so it's a bit difficult to go because I've been traveling, like I've driven Iceland twice around, so Yeah, but the thing is that you never know what's behind the next hill. It's really fascinating. I walk around with my camera, then I go back to Finland and see what I've been doing, and then the thought process goes on and I choose a series or something what I want to do, and then I start etching and the process goes. And then of course the etching process is something I can't control all the way, so I love also surprises. But the result is something between reality and imaginary.
Á síðasta ári voru verkin hans Janne til sýnis á 30 mismunandi sýningum í hinum ýmsu löndum, en á listamannaferlinum hefur hann alls haldið sýningar í 40 mismunandi löndum. En peningar og frægð haldast þó sjaldnast í hendur í heimi listamanna.
If you want to be rich, then you don't want to be an artist. So that's the thing, at least. But it's a passion, I mean. Yeah. I'm not here for the money. It's just the freedom, and it's what I do. I try to do something else, but it's just not working.
Norrlenska nautakjötið. Uppskrift af góðu kvöldi.